It's meaningful to me on a personal level because it comes back full circle. Personally, it affected my family early on. So at the height of anti-Middle Eastern sentiments in the early 2000s, my parents were afforded the opportunity for a home ownership program here through HCD. And it made a tremendous difference in like my upbringing and my siblings' upbringing. And in many ways, I feel like it set us up for success. And to come back full circle and be able to work for the agency that provided that opportunity for my family just is fulfilling to me. And I'd like to see or know that I have a hand in hopefully doing the same for the next generation or other families across the county. So let me give you an example of equity in my work. We recently closed on the first 100% fully affordable housing project in Tysons that'll bring 516 units that are made accessible to families earning 30%, 70% AMI. So that'll help hundreds upon hundreds of families in the coming years and make that area fully accessible to folks that would otherwise be unable to afford living there. Innovation does a lot for my work, and the reason being is because early on in my career as a construction manager, I learned that it is inevitable that challenges will arise. So in our day-to-day core work, managing projects from scope, quality, schedule, cost, relationships, documentation, safety, things will come up, and it's better to be solutions-oriented and face those things head-on and work cooperatively with others to reach resolution. My job here and role in HCD has turned out to be what I initially thought it was, because it turned out to be so much more. I had to pivot and do things that went beyond necessarily like my job description, if you will, but it's out of necessity also to realize these projects. Part of empowering communities is having that dialogue with existing community members and facilitating a conversation about what affordable housing means, who it serves, and how we can benefit the incoming community and the existing community from these projects that we build. I am so thankful to have found a family here in HCD because it is clear that people are passionate about what they do here.